Anything is possible as we build our pathway towards our academic future. One can accomplish anything if they are willing to pay the price. As a devout Christian, with people it is impossible, but with God all things are possible. I would like to decipher my topic based on 2 proverbs. 1, seek the heights, but if you should fall, let it be to a loftier mountain. And secondly, ordinary people focus on the outcome. Extraordinary people focus on the process. In the words of Tā Apirana Ngata, he states, seek the heights, but if you should fall, let it be to a loftier mountain. We need to shoot for the moon so that even if we do not reach it, we will still end up among the stars. Let us not inhibit our ability to succeed or be satisfied with where we are at, but push on to greater heights, far beyond what the natural mind can comprehend. The days of being satisfied with the occupation of a teacher, a lawyer, a doctor, or even a police constable are things of the past. We must now aspire to become a principal, a high court judge, a head surgeon, an area commander, or even the next prime minister. Fellow peers, the world is in our hands. We dictate where we want to be. An old African proverb states, a person who rides on the back of another doesn't realize how far the next town is. We need to be focused and not depend on others to fulfill our dreams and aspirations. It is not only what we do, but what we do not do, for which we are accountable. Thomas Edison was asked what it was like to fail 1,000 times. He replied, I did not fail. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps. The most certain way to succeed is always just to try one more time. Whānau, we never fail. We just become one step closer to great success. Secondly, ordinary people focus on the outcome. Extraordinary people focus on the process. Without a process, one can never attain an acceptable outcome. Winston Peters is a classic example of an individual that has stood the test of time through highs and many lows. He has come back from the brink of death and now is the deputy and acting prime minister. He did not let a rural upbringing in Whananaki inhibit him from attaining his law degree, success as a rugby player, and leader of New Zealand, Aotearoa first. Winston Peters knows what it takes to attain a successful outcome. He is a man of character who defies the norm and with pleasure achieving what others said he could not do. Lao Tzu quotes, "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with just one step." Therefore, let us live our goals one day at a time, ensuring that they are just small increments which are attainable and achievable. The battle is in our mind. The battle is in our mind, whānau. In conclusion, seek the heights, but if you should fall, let it be to a loftier mountain. Believe in yourself, have faith in your abilities, and nothing will be insurmountable. Do what others say you could not do. Mauri ora ki a tātou.